see the look on his face. What's going on, you guys? We're actually at Jesse's garage. The owner here is kind enough to take us for a ride in this his Rally BMW. This thing is insane. I'm actually checking out the sequential. He's got an H-pattern sequential that we're looking at from Samsonas, because we're going to be buying one for the GTR. He's been kind enough to take us for a quick ride to show us how this car shifts and how it handles. This car is amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Wow, it's weird how it sounds.
Yeah, it's different. Because those straight cut gears make that noise.
Yeah, you can hear the way it whines, yeah. Wow. I love the way that sounds though, to be honest with you. Something you installed? Does this come? Okay.
There's a whole camera system recording the whole thing.
Okay, okay. So this is just up and down?
This is a H-pattern.
Okay.
This is a dog box. It's not a sequential.
Okay, yes, yes. So the way you're shifting, is it kind?
It's just like first gear.
That's it. Okay, all right.
Regular
Just like the same thing with all the gears. That is absolutely insane. Wow. I can't believe how short those gears are. That's amazing. It doesn't drop at all. The RPMs are just... That's absolutely insane. Yeah. There's literally probably like he explained, a 500 RPM drop, if that. It's insane how fast the car shifts. It's absolutely amazing. It's amazing.
So if you miss the shift, you're screwed, because now you have to find the right RPM. Otherwise, it needs to be engaged.
No, I understand. I don't want you to hurt your car. I mean, it just... I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. This is absolutely at a whole nother level. This is insane. Wow.
I'm glad you like it.
This is so insane. Wow. I'm honestly speechless. This is so awesome. So he's even kind enough to take my son for a ride. You can see the look on his face. Let me tell you guys, being an owner of a shop like this, having a car like this guy's amazing. He's really cool. Taking the time to show us everything. I think that's just so cool. Let me see the look on his face. He's really gonna.
Thank you again.
You went on dirt.
Yeah, I had the luxury of going on a dirt road. And
Really?
let me tell you, this is terrifying. and the most fun, extreme, like, we're going on this dirt road and the car moves away and it just completely kicks out the ass sideways and just dumps it. And the car's like, it felt so out of control, but in control, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not driving, so to me it felt out of control, but to him, he was just...
Isn't it amazing that the shifts? I
This
mean, it
car makes
doesn't.
360 horsepower, and it feels like it has 700 with this setup. It's insane. Man, this is... I don't know, I think I might... This just started a new addiction. Not kidding. How often do I talk about wanting to rally, and this is like...
So everything here was built in shop. You guys did everything. It's amazing.
What does this make for power?
Probably it should be like 360 horsepower.
Let me tell you what, that didn't feel like no 360 horsepower. It's-
That's the
because of the way the ratio and
360 it doesn't mean anything.
yeah, 360 horsepower. The way that this car was accelerating, that's insane.
I mean, this is a guy who's 1,000 horsepower guy.
Yeah, well, you know, it's different. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, and you'll see if you drive my car, you'll understand the horsepower difference. Like this was the way the power. I mean, my
like
car
a bike.
pulls. Yeah, it's continuous. It's so like it just didn't stop. You know, it was like boop, 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 you know what I mean? It was just so continuous.
That split second.
Yeah, like for me, I have that hesitation where I'm hoping I'm going to lose when I have obviously the sequential.
The second we pulled out is the first thing we pulled out.
Our sponsors are also on this car, by the way, you guys. Motul. Good to see that. They use Motul products. This is awesome.
So Row is our biggest sponsor. That's
Row?
for engine
Row
oil.
motor oil?
Yeah.
Cool.
And motor is for gear oil and the brake fluid.
Okay.
And everybody is over there is just like they're a real sponsor, not just like
Nice.
stickers we just like put there.
This is the owner, by the way, of the shop. Jesse was very kind enough to let us ride along with him. I can't thank you enough, man. Thank you so much for taking us for a ride. It was amazing. I didn't come here with cameras or anything. I didn't expect to even go for a ride. That's why I'm only using this.
We're
But
going to Missouri in 2 weeks, so there's a big race.
okay,
There will be 90 cars starting, so we're gonna be debuting
Awesome.
the car over there, see how it
oh,
does.
it's going to be the debut, really?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
awesome. Well, I can't wait to find out.
Watch the races? Like, is there gonna be like a...
Yeah, on Facebook.
Okay.
They have ARA, American Rally Association.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hey, Daniel, could I possibly see the engine bay again? Is it possible?
Because I'm watching a lot of rally drivers.
We want to thank Daniel too. Daniel actually invited us here. Daniel, thank you so much, man. Daniel's a friend of ours. I didn't even know that Daniel was working here, and he actually invited us. So we're very fortunate today to not only ride in this car, but really learn a lot. They're going to definitely help us out when we get the sequential. Beautiful,
It's out of an E46, right?
beautiful,
V46 M3 engine.
beautiful. You gotta love that smell, huh? You gotta love that smell. Oh, well. Beautiful, beautiful.
It's got the washer fluid, spare.
Yeah. 100% true rally car, you guys. This car is amazing.
This one.
Sweet. So while we are here, Daniel is actually taking the time to show us their Rally GC8 car. This is really cool, man. This thing is like, wow. I mean, I think you can consider this an all-out race car like the other one. Really nice. So what are they doing with this now?
This car, we're just kind of working on it as we go, trying to bring it back to perfect running conditions. We ran it last year. It blew a motor in Missouri. We had to do an overnight block swap to make the race the next day. So ever since, we just did that race on it, and we're just trying to get it back.
And you said this was
speed.
back in 2000 and...
In 2005 or 6, it won the whole championship in the U.S.
Wow.
by the guy that originally built it, and then it's been through a few owners, and now we have it.
Wow.
And we ran it for 1 year, and right now we're just bringing it back to spec.
You saw it first.
I did.
That's right. Go fast juice. Wow.
So we don't really just do performance here. It's the hobbies, what we do for fun. So it's just a project that whenever we have time, since we were working on the E36 to run it this year, then we just kind of put this to the side. But we're just going to be working on it as we go and pass it on.
Awesome.
To whoever deserves it next.
Awesome. Daniel, thank you, man. We can't thank you
problem.
enough, brother. I mean, I'm gonna shake your hand while I'm holding the camera. Thank you, man. It
Thank
was
you,
so
Jim,
awesome.
for
We had a
coming
great
over.
time.
We'll love to help with anything we can.
Yeah.
And
Jesse's Garage here in Sarasota, you guys. 12th Street. I know it's European engineering. These guys, I'm absolutely shocked that we had a great time. Very, very nice people. Man, look at this thing.
Yeah, there's 2 more big lights on the bottom too. This thing turns day into night.
Can you see me? Awesome, awesome. All right, guys, over and out. Thanks for watching the video. You guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you follow us. We want to thank you guys for the continued support, and I hope you guys like what we're putting up for you.